developed a novel phase lock loop for mitigating the subsequent commutation failures of LCC and HVDC systems.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is the conventional PLL on the subsequent commutation failure of LCC and HVDC systems, and points out that the conventional PLL has some problems such as slow dynamic response, significant frequency fluctuation, and coupling of phase and frequency detection under fault conditions. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the block diagram illustrates a proposed. The novel PLL is proposed. PLL adopts a hybrid filter consisted of a CDSC filer and a mathematical operation filter to extract FFPS component, which is used as the input of the amplitude normalization. A fault detector is utilized to determine the condition of the AC system online. When the fault is detected, a logical signal goes high, and the input of integral part of the PI controller is changed from VQ to 0 by a logical controller. As a consequence, the estimated frequency is fixed, which decouples the phase detection and frequency detection of PLL and accelerates the synchronization progress during the fault. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.